Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to present a topic on free education in some universities in Finland, Norway and Germany in 2021. Costs and funding tuition free universities in Finland, Norway and Germany in 2021. Finland, Norway and Germany are some of the most popular European destinations for international students. But what draws students to these countries? Their free tuition policies, high quality education standards and institutions, and the importance universities place on research and practical training. Together, Finland, Norway and Germany list over 500 bachelor's and 2,100 master's degrees on portals. The quality of their study programs is confirmed by international rankings, which lists universities from Finland, Norway and Germany among the best in the world. It is important to distinguish between the best tuition-free universities in Finland, Germany and Norway in order to decide if they are the right choice for your international study adventure. Don't forget to also check out living costs in Germany, Norway and Finland to understand what budget you need. Find masters in Germany, Norway and Finland. Point number 1. Tuition fees for international students in Finland. Who does not pay tuition fees in Finland? Public universities in Finland are divided into regular universities and universities of applied sciences. They are all tuition free for students coming from EU or EEA countries and Switzerland. Non-EU or EEA students enrolling in English taught degrees are required to pay tuition fees. Still, study programs taught in Finnish or Swedish are free for all international students. The minimum tuition fee set by the Finnish government is around 1,500 euros per year for bachelor's and master's programs. But most study programs charge tuition fee above this amount. Tuition fees at public Finnish universities range from 5,000 to 15,000 euros per year, with the University of Helsinki being the most expensive institution. Private universities usually charge higher fees. Make sure you also take into account the cost of living while studying in Finland. The average cost range between 700 and 1,300 euros per month, and they also depend on your spending habits. Of course, costs can be higher in Helsinki. Tuition-free universities in Finland for EU or EEA students. University of Vasa, University of Helsinki, Tampere University, University of Jyväskylä, Tamperanta University of Technology, that is LUT University. Examples of subjects to study in Finland. Some of the most popular disciplines you can study in Finland are finance, business administration and engineering. To enroll in a master's degree in Finland, you need to have completed your bachelor studies in the same field or a closely related field to the one you plan to apply to. The admission requirements for a master's at universities of applied sciences also include at least 3 years of relevant work experience. Check details on how to apply to a university in Finland. International student experiences in Finland. See what these students have to say about studying in Finland. Rapson study experience, Judith's study experience, Shohider's study experience. Point number 2. Tuition fee for international students in Germany. Who does not pay tuition fee in Germany? For both undergraduate and graduate degree programs, you can study abroad for free in public German universities. This is generally true for international students worldwide, inside or outside the EU or EEA zone. The only free fees required are called administrative fees, which cost between 100 and 350 euros per semester. They cover the student services, bus tickets to the university, student cafeterias and more. The federal state of Baden-Württemberg is an exception. At the end of 2017, it decided to introduce tuition fee for non-EU or EEA citizens. You will also pay tuition fee at any German public university if you follow a master's or PhD in a subject that is not related to your previous studies. Private universities in Germany charge higher tuition fee, which range between 1,000 and 40,000 euros per year. Living costs in Germany are around 750 and 1100 euros per month, but can be higher in larger cities like Frankfurt or München. Universities that offer tuition-free masters in Germany: RWTH Aachen University, University of Mannheim, University of Cologne, University of Stuttgart, and University of Hamburg. Examples of subjects to study in Germany. Popular disciplines in Germany include mechanical engineering, computer science, economics, and medicine. International student experiences in Germany. See what these students have to pay or say about studying in Germany. Point number 3, tuition fee for international students in Norway. Who does not pay tuition fee in Norway? Like Germany, Norway is one of the few countries with free education for all international students, whether they come from EU or EEA countries or not. Students only have to pay a semester fee of 30 to 60 euros for the student union. The union fee covers health and counseling services, sports and cultural activities, all held on campus. At private universities, both national and international students will have to pay tuition fee. Compared to other European countries, private universities in Norway are cheaper, with their tuition fees ranging between 7,000 and 19,000 euros per year. You will need between 700 and 1,400 euros per month as living expenses in Norway. In Oslo, you will need around 2,000 euros per month. Tuition free universities in Norway: University of Bergen, NHH Norwegian School of Economics, Nord University, UiT, the Arctic University of Norway, Oslo, and Akershus University College of Applied Sciences. Examples of subjects to study in Norway. Many international students that decide to study abroad in Norway pursue degrees in business administration, finance, social sciences, and design. More information about how to apply to a university in Norway. International student experiences in Norway. See what these students have to say about studying in Norway. You can also check out the study portal's scholarship to get some help on financing your studies abroad. Find bachelors in Finland, Norway, and Germany. Coronavirus and studying abroad. We know you might be worried about your study abroad plans, especially during these uncertain times. That is why we have created an international coronavirus page which is updated weekly. Here you can check out. The universities are responding, what online courses are available, answers to frequently asked questions by other students like you. To offer feedback or suggest additional questions, don't hesitate to contact on the social media channels. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe my channel. Wish you all the best. Wish you have good education in any of these countries. All the best. Bye.